Hey guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing great. So in today's video I'll be showing you guys how I achieved this jumbo passion twist, so stay tuned. Okay, and I have a video on my channel on how I part my hair. I'm going to put it in the description box in case you have not seen it, so you can go and show your girls some love. Okay, please guys, support me by checking it out. Thank you so much. And the hair I'm using is from Janet collection, and I'm using color 2, and the hair is 18 inches. So I'm going to pass the crochet hook through my hair, and then I'm going to put the hair extension in the crochet hook, and then I'm going to lock the crochet hook, and then I'm going to pull the crochet hook out. This is so easy to do, guys, and I don't know if I explain it well for you. I'm going to leave you guys to watch what I'm doing, okay, and I will talk to you all soon. So now that I am done installing the hair, I'm going to use this hair growth oil to moisturize my scalp, and then I'm going to trim the ends, and then I'm going to apply my hair mousse, and that is basically it, guys. Tell me what you think in the comment section. Do not forget to give me a thumbs up and also hit the red button if you haven't already. And thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all very soon. Bye.